Hello guys, this is ThaxT2K, and this is the, bit late Mario Party Star Rush video I mentioned the other day. Bit of a, the reason why I was waiting for, a lot longer was because they weren't in stock, and obviously this was like a little bundle from Nintendo.co.uk. where you got like, the game, Amiibo. I got me another, Rosalina, just in case sells there, and obviously value wise, a notebook, and as I stated, we get the fire bar display. I'll just make sure there's nothing big in here worth shouting about. Now, just your standard Mario Party aim, but this is an Amiibo stand, and what you do with it, it's mimicking the old bars levels where the flame wheel goes round. So let me just open it up. As far as I know, this is only from Nintendo.co.uk. Don't know if it's been released anywhere else in the world. But your Amiibo stands on there. Watch me break it. Oh, no, never mind. Turn it round. Oh, the sound. Very novel, but looks awesome. Done by PDP. Can't really grumble with that. That's that's stopping there. Very easy to wind up. And we'll just leave it at that. So this has been ThaxT2K, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.